Activity Factory. In this short video, we'll give you an idea for a song activity called Musical Image Connections. You'll learn how to prepare and use it step by step. It works well with Zoom or any other video communication app. It can be used for face-to-face as well. In this activity, students make connections between two images and write their ideas, listen to the song and connect the ideas to images, work in pairs to mix their ideas with other students and write a short narrative. Preparation. 1. Find two interesting images for the students to connect. 2. Choose a nice song. 3. Create a Google Doc with designated spaces for students to collaborate and get a link. Suggested step-by-step lesson plan. Step 1. 5 minutes. Show the slide with the two images. Ask students to imagine the connection between them and write their ideas in the chat box. Step 2. 5 minutes. Have students read the ideas, comment on them and correct the mistakes. Step 3. 8 minutes. Individual task. Students listen to the song and as they listen, they should take notes on what words or ideas from the song, connect with the pictures in the previous exercise. Play the song twice. Step 4. 10 minutes. Students write a paragraph, explaining the connection between the images and the words or ideas from the song in 10 to 15 words. Step 5. 10 minutes. In pairs, breakout rooms. Students read their paragraphs to each other and mix their ideas to make a new paragraph. Step 6. 7 to 10 minutes. Share the link to the collaborative Google Doc, with a designated working space for the pairs to write their new mixed paragraphs. Step 7. 5 minutes. Students read their paragraphs. Highlight the mistakes in their texts, but do not correct the mistakes now. Assign the correction as homework. Students will read their paragraphs and correct the highlighted parts. Step 8. 10 minutes. Optional. Share the link to an interactive worksheet to work with the lyrics, gap fill exercises, etc. Check the video description links for an example of this idea in action. Like it? Watch these videos for more. Subscribe to our channel. Like and share this video to help other ELT professionals. Visit songactivityfactory.com. Thank you for watching.